Want to earn online by helping businesses remotely? Here's how to start a virtual assistant business in 2025 and can earn up to $5,000 to $10,000. Popular services include email management, data entry, social media, and scheduling. Learn the right tools. Familiarize yourself with Trello, Slack, Zoom, and Google Workspace to work efficiently. Build a professional LinkedIn, Fiverr, or Upwork profile to attract clients. Start with outreach or offer a discounted trial to get your first testimonial. As you gain experience, raise your rates, specialize in high-demand tasks, and consider outsourcing low-level work. Which tool or software do you think every virtual assistant must master this year? Comments in this video. Starting a VA business is your ticket to remote income. Subscribe to DigiLink for more online business tips.